Hello guys, this is Joyce and I am in my craft room. I was crafting, but I need to organize this purple table here. It's a stand. It has my printer, my Canon printer, which I love my printer, and it also has my Cricut. But I need a space to put my typewriter, and as you can see, that bottom shelf doesn't have anything on it. And on the side, there is some stuff that I'm going to plan to move, but it's a good place for my bigger paper trimmers. Just got to get this room organized. You can see my pillow over there on the floor to help support my back, and my purple shredder, which that's the only place for it. But I want to switch that around and put my typewriter on it. So stay tuned and I shall return. I think this video is going to be shaky. Stay tuned, guys. Hello. Okay, I came back and I kind of rearranged my table, which I think will work so much better for me. These are just my bigger, taller. You see my foot there? That's where I have my taller paper trimmers. That's just a good place because I can just turn around. I moved the printer down to the bottom, which just makes it easier. That is my purple paper shredder. As you can see, it is full. Need to empty that. Then my Cricut is in a good place. I'm going to start using it more. And now my typewriter is accessible. As you see, I have a power strip on the side of the table leg, which makes it easier because everything in this room is electronic and has too many plugs. There's my selfie printer right there. And then that's just my computer, desktop computer set up. But we ain't going to show you that because that's a whole nother organizational issue there. But I just wanted to get my typewriter where I can just easily turn around from what I'm scrapbooking and do my journaling, and it's right there. So I'll let you know how that works out. And that's what it looks like. The table I bought, it was black and I painted it. Now I wish I had put polyurethane on it. So I may... And I noticed it's a little loose, so I may take it down eventually and tighten it up, put another coat of paint on it, and then some polyurethane because the paint didn't take as well as I hoped it would. But yeah, but I just think that's going to work better because my typewriter was sitting over there on that dresser on the end, covered up and it was just awkward. So yeah, moving on. That is my organization, and these are just some Xyron adhesives that I'm just looking for a home for them. So anyway, guys, that is it. I know this is okay. Here it is, the completed new setup of my table. As you can see, I've shifted everything around, and I think this is going to work so much better for me. And there's my typewriter. All I have to do is turn around. I still have my Xyrons on the side there, and all of my pens for the Cricut. And next to it is my shredder, and it has a few things on top of it, which they'll be okay there for now. And my pillow is there on the side. So yeah, I like it so much better. And then the little cover that I keep it covered so my typewriter doesn't get, I'm moving back, so my typewriter doesn't get dusty. I have a little tea towel that I put on top of it. So I think this is going to work so much better for me. And I will be back with some more organization. As you can see, I love purple, so there's a lot of that going throughout this room. So yeah, I'll be back. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Bye.